Everyone, welcome to week 2 of the playoffs, and we only got 4 teams left, fighting for that Quaker State gift card and just fighting for bragging rights. So let's get to the 2 games that really matter. First, we have Seth versus Ryan in, let's say, the AFC Championship game. I'm just going to kind of go down through and say these are the players I really like, award 2 points to them, give 1 point to players I think are just okay, and then negatives to players that I don't think are going to do well, and we'll see what your final score is. So we got Carson Palmer. I think he's going to have a good day against New Orleans. This is for Seth. And then LaShawn McCoy against Cleveland. We're not very good at stopping the run, so that's a 2-pointer as well. That's 4 points. I'm giving Kelly just 1 point. He seems to be a little bit unpredictable, so that's 5 points. For Tate, same thing. I don't know if I trust him or not. 6 points. Hilton, Minnesota's tough, so I'm only going to give Hilton 1 this week. 7 points. Gates, not a big fan of Gates this week, so that takes you back down to 4, 5, 6, 7, 6 points. Watkins against Cleveland. Cleveland's pass defense has been okay, so I don't know if I see a lot of points going there, especially the team that's not very good at throwing the ball, so that's a 1-pointer. Put you back at 7. And then Atlanta, they seem to give up points when they're not supposed to, so I'm only giving you 1 point for that too. So that gives you 8 total points because I don't care about kickers. Now, Ryan, what about you? Can you do better? Rivers against Oakland, that's 1 point. Oakland's just a hot team. They're hard to mess with. Ware against Tennessee. Tennessee's a really good defense. That's a 1-pointer. But then Johnson against New Orleans, that's a 2-pointer right there. So there's 2, 3, 4 points. Cooks, I don't trust any of the New Orleans wide receivers. So that's a 1-pointer. 2, 3, 4, 5. Adams, also unpredictable, 6. Olsen against Washington. I just don't trust anyone in Carolina either. It's just each week is a different story. So that's a 1-pointer. And then Powell, I don't like him, so that's negative. So that gives you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 points to Seth's 8. So I'm going with the upset here. I got Seth upsetting Ryan in the AFC Championship. So let's jump down to the NFC Championship. I'm going to go ahead and start with Eric's team since he already had Russell Wilson go. That's a 2-pointer. He did well. I think Murray's going to do really well. There's another 2. That's 4. Gurley did not do well, and that's not a shocker. I would have gave him a -1 anyways. So that puts you back down to 3. Nelson against Chicago. I think there's a lot of points to be had in that game. And Evans against Dallas. I just trust Dallas's defense and just Dallas in general. Eifert against Pittsburgh. I'm going to go ahead and roll the dice. I like Eifert. There's a 2-pointer. Crowder, I like him, but that's only 1 point against Carolina. And then Buffalo against Cleveland. That's a good day for anyone. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, -1, 5, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 points for Eric. And then on the other side, I'm just going to go ahead and yell at the 2-pointers. I like Bell. I like him every week. I like Howard. I'm starting to like him every week. So there's 4 points. And that's it. I don't trust anyone running against Denver. So there's 4. We got a -1 and Graham, 3. And then everyone else is 1, which would give you 4, 5. Actually, I don't like Jackson. So that's it. You're not going to get enough points. Eric's going to win. So we're going to see a championship of Eric versus Seth. That's my prediction. See you guys at Jazz Night.